This is going to be a video tutorial on how to delete your search history on Facebook. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Facebook. To delete your search history on Facebook, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy and click on Settings and Privacy. From here, you want to go up to where it says Activity Log and click on Activity Log. And then in the middle pane here, you want to find your search history and click on your search history. And from here, it will display all of your searches that you have made. Up in the upper right hand corner, you can see it says Clear Searches. Click on Clear Searches. Now it says your search history, nothing to show. That is how to delete your search history in Facebook. Thanks for watching.